Welcome to the woods. I'd like you to take a moment with me now to just let go of all of the stories about today and the stories about yesterday and the stories about tomorrow and all of the to-do lists that the mind is coming up with. Let it just fall away, just for this moment. Notice the sound of the birds which is coming and going. And there's a silent space that surrounds those noises. That is your natural state of being. Stillness, silence, peace. Nature does an amazing thing, which is it has the brilliant ability to stun the mind. And people often say that nature brings about peace, or peace is found in nature. But I actually would amend that to nature provides the tools to stun the mind into silence, which then reveals the peace that's already here. So actually the peace you believe you're feeling as a result of the place in nature that you are in right now, for example, is in fact your own peace. It's not out there, it's not found in nature. Nature has provided some cracks in the cloud where the open clarity of your true nature can be seen. So I hope that helps.